So I'm passing a new restaurant that my wife and my family were starting to like more and more. And what's interesting about this restaurant is they change their menu every season. Now, I get it. Some people actually would hate that because they would say, well, look, you find a dish that you like and then you go there and then 3 months later it's not there. That's not cool. And listen, I get it. There's a risk. There's a risk when a restaurant changes their menu every season. But what's interesting is just the other day we went in there and guess what? My wife has been back there 3 times since then. I'm not even kidding. And I've been back there at least one other time. Here's the thing. Because there's this thing called scarcity, because you know that this lemon Parmesan crispy chicken that has these amazing potatoes, this amazing sauce, it's got these amazing green beans, because you know that they're going to change that menu in just a few weeks, you go back and you go back and you go back. Now, they're going to change that menu, right? And pretty soon, they're going to have more dishes. Now, the big question is my wife and I, are we going to go back when the menu's changed? Well, you better believe it, because we want to see what else they have. But many times, whether it's Chick-fil-A closing on Sunday, or whether it's this restaurant changing their menu every season, when you can't always get what you want it even more. And so I want you to think about this as a business. I want you to think about this as an entrepreneur, perhaps, or as someone who's creating a side hustle, or maybe you're a big business owner. The point is this: what can you do, not to mess with your clients, but what can you do to create special opportunities, special dishes, special hours that aren't for everybody? When you do that, you create this amazing customer experience for your clients, and they appreciate it even more. And we call this in business scarcity. It's not false scarcity, because false scarcity doesn't work. You know, oh my gosh, we've all seen that, right? I've seen that so many times where people have a webinar and then the cart closes and they say the next day, oh, hey, guess what? The cart was broken and we actually, had a glitch, and so we're going to reopen. Look, that stuff works once, and then people, you train your clients to not believe you anymore. So I'm not talking about that, false scarcity. But to really only have a dish that's available for 3 months out of the year, and then you literally bring in other food and other recipes. Look, it keeps your chefs engaged, because they need to be creative. It keeps your servers alert, because they need to know the new menu. And at least way back when I was a server in the day, you actually got to try these. So now it creates experiences for your staff, because they are trying new dishes and they're having to memorize new menus and they're having to arrange things. And what this does is it helps people stay out of a rut. So I want to challenge you to rethink your business strategy. I want to challenge you to mix it up and ask yourself if you can incorporate some of these things that really create a better experience for your staff, for your customers, and for you. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire today, and subscribe and share. We'll see ya.